Assalamualaikum, my name is Putri Lisa binti Atam, metro number 23DLS24F1026 from DLS3B. I'm from group 5. This is our group map, which is me, myself, Firas, Umayasir, Hakimi and Tanishri. Today we're going to talk about shipment loss and damage, a major challenge in logistics that affect cost, customer service and supply chain efficiency. So let's explore the key causes, impact and its solution.
Good morning, my name is Tanusri Subramani. My metric number 23DLS24F1103. I am from class DLS3B. Today I am going to talk about shipment loss and damage and how Industry 4.0 technology can help reduce this problem. Shipment loss and damage happen when goods are lost, broken or spoiled during delivery from one place to another. This can cause many loss, unhappy customer and delay in getting the product. Nowadays, many companies use new technology from IR 4.0 like sensor, GPS tracking, automation and data system to monitor goods in real time. This helps them find problems early, make work faster and make sure product reach safely to customer.
My name is Ahmed Umaysir bin Zaha, and I will be presenting the global case study of Evergreen incident from page 2 to 3. On March 3rd, 2021, the Ever Given, a Japanese container ship operated under the Taiwanese company Evergreen Marine Corp, was stuck in the Suez Canal in Egypt, blocking one of the world's busiest and most vital maritime trade routes for 6 days. The name of the ship is the Ever Given, a 400-meter long ship that is owned by Shoei Kisen Kaisha, a Japanese leasing company. The ship was sailing from Tanjung Pelepas, Malaysia to the port city of Rotterdam in the Netherlands, carrying over 50,000-ton containers. So what happened? The Suez Canal ship was hit by a seasonal sandstorm that led to high winds, limited visibility, and possibly human errors caused the ship to turn sideways and become lodged across the narrow waterway, completely blocking the Suez Canal. So, what are the causes? Since more than 12% of the total globe trade passes through the Suez Canal, the consequences were immediate, causing stuck and delays over 400 ships carrying everything from oil, electronics, to livestock. Some ships were forced to reroute the thousands of kilometers around the Cape of Good Hope in Africa. Each day of the blockage cost around 10 billion worth of trade. Finally, on the evening of March 29, 2021, after long 6 days operations involved removing ballast, used dredges and excavators to dig the bow of the ship out from the sand, and bringing in a fleet of tugboats, and eventually took advantage of a king tide caused by a supermoon finally freed the ship. This incident exposed just how fragile and dependent the world is on a single and narrow choke points.
The next slide is causes of shipment loss or damage. There are few reasons why shipment loss or damage happen. Firstly, poor packaging. Secondly, mishandling. Third, bad weather. Next, accidents. First, poor packaging. If items are not packed properly, they can easily get damaged during transport. Second, mishandling. When workers drop or stuck items wrongly. Third, bad weather like heavy rain, storm, or extreme heat that can spoil the goods. Uses of IR 4.0 technology can really help solve this problem. With IoT sensor and GPS tracking, companies can see where the goods are and check their condition all the time. Automation in warehouses help reduce human mistake and data system can help plan better and predict risks. By using uh, this smart technology, companies reduce shipment loss and damage, and make delivery fast and safer to everyone. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Iqbal. I am from DLS3B. Today I will explain about how our Industry Revolution 4.0 solution help reduce shipment loss and damage by using IoT, AI, GPS tracking, automation and an alert system. Firstly is Internet of Things, IoT. So IoT sensor are attached to the ship to the monitor temperature, movement and handling condition in real time. This help detect any unsafe situation early. Secondly is artificial intelligence or AI. Our organization the data collected by IoT sensor. It identify abnormal pattern and help make faster accurate decision to prevent damage. Thirdly is GPS tracking. So GPS tracking provide the exact location of the shipment throughout the journey. This ensure the shipment stay on the correct route and avoid being lost. So fourthly is about the automation. Automation handle routes such as data recording and reporting. This reduce manual errors and speed up workflow. And lastly is about the alert and notification system. So if any abnormal condition is detected, the system send instant alerts to the logistic team so they can take quickly action before damage accurate. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firas bin Zulkifli, matrix number 23 DLS34F1005. And now I'll be taking over presenting my slide, which is Technology IR 4.0 benefit. So I'll be presenting 3 points and then we will go through them individually one by one. We are now starting with the first point, which is improve efficiency. Basically, Technology IR 4.0 improve efficiency by making less machine downtime, as well as the ability to make more product and make them much faster. How they do this is by faster batch changeover, automatic tracks, entries process, also automated reporting. Now we are moving on to the second point, which is optimized supply chain management and security. Basically, it provides a better visibility across the supply chain industry. How they make it possible is by identifying bottleneck and other supply chain problem before they have an impact on production line output. And now finally we are at the last point, which is reduce costs. Technology IR 4.0 reducing costs by improving efficiency, minimizing waste, preventing breakdown, and making better use of energy and resources. Primary driver for this reduced cost include better use of resources, faster manufacturing, less machine and production line downtime, less resources, material and product waste, lower maintenance costs and lower overall operation costs, and finally, creation of innovation opportunities. That is all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, shipment loss and damage remain a serious issue in the transportation industry as they lead to financial loss and reduce customer trust. The adoption of IR 4.0 technologies such as Intelligence of Technology, AI automation, and GPS tracking can greatly improve monitoring and security throughout the supply chain. By using real-time tracking and automated alerts, logistic companies can reduce human error and ensure shipment arrive safely. Therefore, embracing technology and continuous innovation is essential to overcome shipment loss and damage and build a more reliable and efficient logistics system in the future.